I'm glad to be here for the unveiling of Alpha. I believe the questions you are going to ask is concerning football, not some other issues. So I'm just waiting for your questions, and then we start from there.
Yes, we had a first question coming from Mr. Yes.
It's me who approached him. I called him personally, and then he told me, you talk to my dad. So then I called the dad. I told him, I need the player to come and join Express. And I believe Alpha, I've seen him for over 7 years back when he was still young at Pro Line. And it's a good thing he's in the setup of the national team under 20. I know he has the quality, and I know I'm going to work very hard to see that also can improve on his qualities. And I believe the time he will be with us at the Express, he will have a good season. And I believe he's going to take us a step ahead, and we are going to also to take him a step ahead also. He's a young boy, and I'm not going to put much pressure on him because I know he's still a young boy. He's 19 years, so I'm not going to put him under pressure. I'm going to give him his freedom to feel free at the club because it's a big team.
Okay, the next question. Yes.
And the other day, the TV. Omuzanyi wabba mwalikwinga babekolera mu kisaawe mu maaso ga poliisi. Lwaki mumulese mu hoteri?
Siteeka nti okolera ku kisaawe. Tulina ebuzibu n'ekisaawe kyaffe eky'Express. Ekyo kyonna nammwe mukimanyi, muyinza okuba nga temukimanyi. Naffe kwennyini tetutrainingirayo. Wakyaliwo issues ate mulimu ebika, so ne tusalawo tulonde ekifo kino tujje tukolere wano. Ku myaka gye gy'alina mu myaka 19, mwana muto akyali mu under 20. Abantu bamusuubiramu nti bintu bingi essaawa zino, naye sinze kyenkola ki kyengenda omuteekako pressure eyo. Nja muhandolinga nga bwe ndaba because era nzize mbeera n'abaana abato. Nga oyo mwalaba Hasani Mubiri we yali mu Express nga muleetanga mu buleesi, eventually n'atandika okuproving. Naye kino kyengenda okuhandolinga ku Alpha bwe ntyo. So sigenda mu papya naye nga I know he has the quality. Nze ngezaako okulaba nti tujja gezaako tuzi improving.
Mumuguze sente meka nera omusala genda funa sente meka?
Ekya sente Express tetugula basambi sente. Season eno tetina musambi gwe tuguze wa sente. Bonna tuwa just twogeraganya nabo ni mu buntu ne tubawa embeera gye tulimu. Ebya sente temubadde sente. Nobonoonyeza mu record mugende munoonyeza abazanyi bonna bazzi. N'obuuza safe bwe twaliza mu Villa. Era ne yaze mu mbeera nga Alpha wazzi. Sekya sente si kyekikulu. Nga mwagala nnyo okumanya omusaala gwe. I think ekyo kiri private. Ekyomusaala kiri private. Sisobola mwagala mulumba ekiro. I think that one is chiri private.
Next question, please.
Ya myaka 2 with the clause in case we have a deal outside Uganda is free to leave.
Alpha, why not get you to talk some young man?
Good afternoon. My name is Sali Alpha. My name is Sali Alpha. You asked me about my dream to play for Arsenal. Every kid in the world dreams of playing for teams in Europe. Everyone needs a plan. You don't just wake up in the morning and go sign. There are people in the academy in Arsenal waiting to be promoted. So with time, right now at my young age, I'm 19, it's a development process. You don't just jump straight. So right now my job is to develop to maybe around 20, 21, 22. And If I develop and play well in the league and show my skills, maybe they'll pick me, maybe they won't, but that's football. So yeah, I'm working towards that dream.
Prepared to deliver the best in the expressive season.
How am I prepared? I got an injury 1.5 years ago. I've been training so hard to come back to the pitch, in and outside Uganda, and I'm ready to give my all for the club. I know I'm 100% sure.
Okay, so how much do you know about the club Express that you're going to be joining, and what sort of talent are you putting out for yourself?
I know Express is a big club, same levels as the Vipers, the KCC. I've been approached by so many clubs in Uganda, but Express is a club that, as you see the name, it can help you express yourself. I have so many friends who have played for Express. So I talk to them and they tell me how the system works. So Express is willing to give me development time, is willing to give me time to prove myself. Yeah.
So in terms of expectations, have you set certain goals for your maybe first season at Express in terms of
Yes,
the number of goals or something like that?
Yes, I've set goals, but that's a bit private. I don't mind. It's in football, you play where the coach puts you. Tomorrow there'll be a star player on the pitch, and he'll be playing the best football that day. I can't come in that day. So if the coach wants me to go in goal, if he needs me there, I'll go. But I'm comfortable playing on the wings and maybe attacking. But I'll sit anywhere the coach wants me to sit.
Kozesa nti oba bebangamba ekyokukola nga bwe nkugambye mwana muto ttiimu jjajjamu nnene naye njagezaako okulaba emipiira oba atandika guno oba tatandika okusinziira ku performance gyanabampa ku training. Of course era pressure egenda kubeera okusaidia kuba ttiimu yabawagizi si bawagizi be bokka nabo Express. So abawagizi ba Express nabo bagenda muteekako pressure si ababe fena general nga abawagizi bonna ba ttiimu eyo pressure fena tubeerako si kusaidie nange kenyine bembeerako but tujja kugezaako okulaba nti tuhandolinga pressure. Si wakubiri abamu gye bali okuba nti tunakujja nga mulimu issues ezimu paperwork z'abamu kubanga ne teammate we gwe yali naye mu under 20 tumulina nsuubira nti bajja kukwatagana bulungi kawooya etajja mu KCC bali mu myaka gyegyemu. I believe we banakola partnership we bajja tuwa omupiira omulungi.
Photo moment, coach. We have a photo shoot moment between the coach and Alpha, inside and outside, those who would want. But if no other questions, the press conference is officially closed. Please. Let us go with what we have given you. Thank you.
In front of you.
And the coach joined?
Okay.
So you can look at each other, questions and